What's up everyone? Welcome to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. We are currently at High Bridge Trail, getting ready to take a nice, long, brisk hike. Follow us as we go. Towards the bridge. I'm sorry, it's a windy day. High Bridge, that way. Let's go.
I feel like I'm always wearing the same sweatshirt.
Not gonna be perfect with all the deer.
I mean, you're representing. All right, so we're already at the bridge. Where we parked, it was only
A third of a mile.
a third of a mile. Wasn't even that far of a walk. If you're in great shape like I am, didn't you know, you're still got a good breath when you get here.
And it's also handicap friendly.
Yeah.
Because it's all limestone crushed gravel.
Yeah, so like somebody in a little scooter, or even if you were pushing somebody in a wheelchair.
Actually, there was a guy pushing himself in the wheelchair up in front of us.
There you go. So
this park is good for bicycles and equestrians and runners.
all right, so we're here at the bridge. We're getting ready to cross it. I brought the drone. May or may not be able to fly it. I don't know. It's kind of windy. I don't know if I want to risk it since it's somebody else's drone. He won't care. I think he would too. All right, the High Bridge. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so we're almost to the end of the bridge. This bridge is a half-mile long. He's vlogging. How you doing there? All right, so we learned a little bit about this bridge today. A couple of things that we learned. Over on this side was where the Confederates were actually stationed, and on this side, the Union was trying to cross the river that's down there. And so what the Union did is they actually came and tried to burn the bridge down. From what the ranger was saying, they were successful for about 3 runs of the bridge. When they finally got to the 4th, the Confederates actually put the fire out and saved the rest of the bridge. It actually worked out for the Union a little bit because they were able to use this bridge for supplies at some point, and so they actually did them a little bit of a favor there. The other thing is that the Confederates were stationed here for about 5 years prior to anybody trying to take the bridge or burn it down. And what the ranger was saying was that they became really good sharpshooters because they didn't have much to do except for look out at this amazing view. So they were able to get really good at that. So as the Union was trying to cross the bridge, well, they were also getting picked off by the Confederates. So a lot of history to this bridge that I didn't realize. I believe he said that it was actually built in like the 1850s. I'll have to look that up. I'll get some more information. But yeah, it's a really old bridge and it's a really nice trail. The trail is actually 30 miles long. And it goes from Rice, Virginia into Farmville, Virginia. So if you're ever out this way and you're looking for, you know, a good walk, good family walk, super flat trail, etc., you know, this might be something that you want to look into. You know, when we first got here, it was really windy and cold, and now it feels great. Man, of course, when we're on our way back to the car, it feels awesome. Oh, so this is called Camp Paradise. Don't you love it when you're recording something and somebody else gets in front of you and starts recording their own thing? Jeez. No courtesy.
We're gonna say hi.
Hi.
We don't know if Harold's gonna use this or not, but
We'll see.
We'll see. Say bye.
Bye.
He's busy with the drone.
You can hear it in the background.
Having fun. Sorry about the noise.
Yeah.
It's a little windy out here too.
Sounds good.
So a couple tips about this park is make sure you use the bathroom before you get going on the trail. And make sure you have tons of water with you because there's nowhere to stop to drink. And bring a trash bag, or at least a bag to dispose of your snacks because there's only a trash can at the parking lot.
Yeah.
What else you got?
Well, it just depends on how far you want to walk too. So you can go in there, and if you come to this side where we went, which was in Rice, Virginia, it's only like it's less than a mile from parking to the bridge.
Right.
So that's nice.
Yeah. And
But if you want a longer walk, you could always go out to Farmville and then walk back.
right, and then there's more. I don't even know where it ends. I have to look at the map, but there's 9 parking areas along the trail.
It'd be really cool with the equestrian.
Yeah. I didn't see any horses today. I was
No.
really surprised.
I think that wraps it up. We learned something new today. We took a little bit of a hike. You know, it's a great flat walk, so you know, you get the chance, come out here. You don't have to be in like super shape, super good shape to be able to do it. So hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. If you really liked the video, make sure you subscribe. And until the next strange adventure, keep making your own.